Hi people, today I wanted to publish video tutorial about application called OpenShell. There are a couple interesting options what I wanted to talk about, but before I will talk, let's check out the gates. There are a couple of things which I wanted to mention about that application. This is like a classic menu star. Let's check if this application received the update. This is standard version. Or this is old version. We have to get back to GitHub because GitHub there's the newest version. Very good application, very good. Oh, this is from current year. So you can download this application. This is like classic menu start replacement, but make sure you back to archive because this file tends to get corrupted, unfortunately. But always back to zip file because it is important. In a minute I will show to you what wonderful features you can access by using this application. We have to open this OpenShell. After this, we have access. We have some interesting skins. Let's check the dark color, light, skin, immersive or macro. But to be honest with you, immersive looks more interesting. Another cool thing is, I will show you in a minute because I think it is important to pay attention on every details. Start menu style, classic style, but I have something more important to show to you. So I just try to find this. Where did I see this? In general behavior, I saw something important, but I try to find this. Give me a few seconds. This is not interesting, but I try to find this option. I wish I could have paid attention on show username. This is one of them. Before you select, when you select this, you have additional access. So you can click on username. This is interesting. I will have to check. Fully glass. Oh. Menu look. I saw something important which I try to find. Just give me a few seconds. Context menu. I believe this was located because we have all programs, but we can change behavior of this because it is looking like in a Vista application. I think this was in general behavior. Where this was? Just give me a few seconds, because I cannot. This is so important for me to show. Confirm log off. I don't like hybrid shotgun, but I wanted to show to you because this will allow us. Oh, I have got this. This is what I meant to show to you. Cascading sub-menus. When you select this, I should have paid attention which tab this option was. And now our applications will behave like in Windows XP when you use OpenShell application. We still have access to classic Windows menu, but it's little bit messy and ugly. And to be honest with you, I prefer standard classic shell menu. But you can do the same. You can do the same when you switch to start menu classic style. So you have programs, but on the other hand, I don't really like using that option because I don't have access to Windows 7 style. But remember, this option is very useful, and I wish I could have remembered this option, but I tried it again, and this is why I decided to add this video tutorial about that option and about some other things which I didn't show to you. But this is, at least this is free program. That's the most important, because you don't have to pay for this program. It is completely free. Taskbar, bookmark.com, menu loop. I think, where did I see this first option? Skin. In option skin, show username, center username. Interesting, I will have to check this. Oh, we can also disable glass, and we can enable glass. You can see little bit of transparency. If you don't like the glass, that's fine. You can always disable glass. Oh, we can also have different color. If we reduce glass color, disable glass transparency. Wow, this is why I like very much. What is this? Use system settings. And so you have some other skins which you can use. I hope you like my video tutorial. It should be quick and straightforward, but some settings you have to search for, and you have to dig in some settings, like using shovel for very precious treasure which is hidden in the ground. I hope you like this video tutorial about OpenShell free application. What is this? Windows Explorer? Oh, you can have access to Windows Explorer, open all users. Oh, this is interesting. Open. And see